Hello everyone, hope you all are doing very fine. So today I'm going to tell you how many companies are there where you can apply for the job of the pharmacovigilance. Basically in the pharmacovigilance, adverse events are reported, and where the adverse event reported, you have to check whether the drugs has itself any adverse event during the manufacturing, or it is a drug interaction or any biological condition from the patient. So depend on that you have to produce the result. So if the drugs has itself any issue, so the drugs will be withdrawn from the market, otherwise it is relaunched, and if the risk is minimum, then drugs is launched in the market. Okay, so this is the basic actually work in the pharmacovigilance, but the designation is drug safety officer. But now I'm telling you, if you wish to do a job in the pharmacovigilance, you must need to know how many companies are there who are working in the pharmacovigilance all over the India, all the companies I'm telling you. So watch this video till the end, every company I'm telling you, and accordingly you can visit their career portal and apply your resume there. Definitely you will get a response from the company itself. So first of all, I will tell you the companies from the Hyderabad. First is Alpha Cure Life Sciences, then Apexon, then Novartis, then Dr. Reddy's, then Aurobindo, then Hetero Drugs, then MSN Labs, then Mylan, then Vizen Life Sciences, then Sanofi, then Paraxel, then Mitocon Biopharma, then Jodas Exposim, then Aspen Pharma, then Syneos Healthcare, then Cognizant, then Tech Mahindra, then Macro Care, then Clini Pharma Solution, then Novo Pro Pharma, Adviti Research Private Limited, then Biological E Limited, then Sristech, then LAAN Research, Land Research, then Arcimate Life Sciences, then Abiogenesis Clean Farm, then iSafety or Pro Pharma, then iMed Global or Clean Choice, then G1 Life Sciences, then VGCare Biopharma, then Navatio Pharma, then VG MedSip or PPD. Now we can talk about the Pune companies. So there are Covance, that is LabCorp, then Syneos Health, then MQR, then TCS, then Cognizant, then Edu Solution, then Christ Pre-Media, then Eversena, then Key Pharmaceuticals Limited. Then we can talk about the Ahmedabad companies. Aculife, then Nectar Therapeutics, then ELC Groups.com, then Vimta Labs, then Cognizant, then Karmic Life Sciences, then Clianta Research, then Apsar Life Sciences, then COD Research, then Product Life Group, then Novamis, then Lambda, then Torrent Pharma, then Otsuka Pharmaceuticals. Now we can talk about the companies from the Mumbai location. Zydus Cadila, then Vida Clinical Research, then Arcus Research, then Ethicare CRO, then Apotex, then Alembic, then Colgate Palmolive, then Sidens Life Sciences, then Sun Pharma, then Cyroclina Pharma, then UCB, then TCS, then Cognizant, then IQA, then PVCon, then Nucleon Therapeutics, then Advance Pharma, then Bril Pharma, then Pyramel Enterprises, then Ipca Laboratories, then Crescent Pharma, then Clini Excel Life Sciences, then Glenmark, then Covance, then Vocard, then Macleod, then Rhyme Life Sciences, then Cipla, then Genesis Pharmaceuticals, then Flamingo Pharma, then Reliance Life Sciences, then MedVigil, then Bayer, then Lupin, then Concordia International, then Amneal Pharmaceuticals, then Unichem Laboratories, then USVille Private, then Abbott, then Bioracy, then Indoco Remedies, then Aristo Pharma, then Themis Medicare, then ELC Group, then Alvotech, then Quintipi, then Bioracy, then Morningside Pharmaceuticals, then J&J, then Crest Premedia. Now we can talk about the companies from the Bangalore location. Sanofi, IQVIA, Merck India, then Biocon, Accenture, AstraZeneca, Bluefish Pharmaceuticals, Covance, Strides, Arco Labs, then Teva Pharmaceutical, then MMS Holding, then Norwich Clinical Services, then Kynaps, then George Clinical, then Forci Pharma, then Citero, then Microlabs, then Novo Nordisk, then Q Vigilance, then DZS Clinical Services, then Pharmalib, then Clean Choice or iMed Global, then Navitas Life Sciences, then Viatris or Mylan, then Astralix Global, then Medilens, then Shilpa Medicare, then Cognizant, then Viranex, then Advo Health Soul, then WDBMD, then Plasmagen Biosciences, then Lundbeck, then GSK, then Deloitte, then Voisin Consulting Services, then Indigen, then Alcon, Tata Elxsi, then Eli Lilly, then Medreach, then Elanco, Paraxel, Novatech, Infosys, Advantage Health Technologies, then Augur Safety Services, then Quinticare, then Farmed, then GSS Pharma. Now we can talk about the companies from the Delhi location. Proterius, then Apsar Life Sciences, KNEPS, then Baxter, Cleanformetrics, then Avingsa Life Sciences, then Frasius Cabi, then Simogen, then Jubilant Life Sciences, then Wipro, then APC Pharma, then Syneos Health, then MSD Merck, then Sun Pharma, then D-Dredge, then Elite Safety, then Pharmalex, then Pharmaxel, then J&J. Then we can talk about the companies from the Chennai location. Accenture, Icon, Pfizer, Agati Clinical, then Citus Biopharma, then Pharnova, then Novartis Life Sciences, then TCS. Then from the Mysore location, Citero, then Quinixa, then L&T, Kolkata, then Cognizant, Wipro, Sikdar Consulting. Then last from the Coimbatore, Cognizant, then Ovia Medsip and IQVIA. So these are the all companies who are working for the pharmacovigilance. So you can apply job or area of the company according to your preferred location. And how to apply for job, so already we are made the video, and you can watch from the I button link, okay. And if you want to do the career in the pharmacovigilance, definitely you can pursue our 3-month online certification course in the pharmacovigilance, where we can provide all in-depth domain knowledge and skill development and also placement assistance. So thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will be definitely helpful to all of you to build your own career in the pharmacovigilance. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to like our video and share this video to all the people, all the students, all the needy person. Thank you.